Welcome to PA Academy. So in this video I'll be showing you how to construct angle 20 degrees using just your compass alone. Alright, so let's get started. So to start with, we need to draw our horizontal line. So I haven't done that, to bring in our compass, which is the main thing we are going to be using here. So you pick a point on your line and you are going to draw a semicircle. A semicircle. So let me call this center point O, and let me call this point A, and let me call this point B. So the next thing you're going to do is, with the same length on your compass, you come to point B. You draw another semicircle. Is that clear? So where the second semicircle is touching our horizontal line, with the same length on your compass, you come there and then you draw another semicircle. So we are having three semicircles. Is that clear? So let me call this point C, and let me call this point D. Now with the same length, you come to point D and you are going to draw an arc on the semicircle like this. Is that clear? So from the point of this point, the point of intersection, from this point of intersection, let's call it point Y. So that's where we are going to draw a line to point O. So from point Y to point O. And with that, now we already have our Y, let's just call it YOB, to be 20 degrees. So you can bring in your protractor to confirm. So you can see we already have our answer to the 20 degrees. So you can go ahead to bisect this angle to give you angle 10 degrees. Is that clear? So and it's a very simple process. So using this first semicircle, where this line that is giving us angle 20 degrees is touching it, so this point, let's call it Z. I can decide to bisect it. I'll bring in my compass. Let me increase the length. It won't affect our answer. I'll place it on point B. I'll draw an arc with the same length. I'll come to point Z, and then I'll draw another arc. So from the point of intersection, the point of intersection can be very wide, so you have to find the center. So this is somewhere here. So if you should join it to point O, it's point O. So with this now, already have this particular angle here to be 10 degrees. So whichever way or whichever one you want to construct, either you want to construct angle 10 or angle 20 degrees. So this is the step on how to go about it. So if you have any question, any comments, let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to know how to construct every other angles, I have a lot of them on my playlist on technical drawing. Do check them out. And if you are new here, please click on that subscribe button. And I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.